kaya kapag bumaliktad yung ano mo?
Boy, naranasan ko na yun. Ako sa highway pa.
Babaliktad yung... Chinelas, hindi na kasi
유난히도 캄캄한다면 나 홀로 너를 생각하네 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어 원래 이만큼 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데
Pag uwi ko, and so merong package na dumating. This one is from Wishtrend. Ito yung laman ng box. So we have 3 skincare. This one is from Klairs, and I'm from. The first one is this Dear Klairs Daily Skin Hydrating Water. So this one is very big, and pwede siyang gamitin as a mist. Kung meron kayong spraying bottle, and then ubos na yung laman nun, pwede nyo siyang ilagay. Okay. Next one is my favorite one. This one is the rice toner I'm from, and rice serum I'm from them. This one is new. Ito, nagamit ko na siya before. So this one is my favorite. So sinishake siya kasi naghihiwala yung white, then may clear liquid something. So shake mo siya bago mo gamitin. This one is great for glowing skin and for dull skin. Ayan. And then lastly, we have I'm from rice serum. Tada! This one is for whitening, since meron akong mga marks dito. So, I think this one is great, and hindi siya ganun katapang. Ayan. So, if you guys want to try this Wishtrend products from I'm from and Dear Klairs, you can check the link down below, and then you can purchase from those links. Ayan. Also, meron akong ilang Shopee purchases for school. So, I have this notebook. This one is A5 for the price of 70 plus, I think. Basta less than 100. And then, this one. Ito nakita lang ako. Pero, random design siya. So, hindi ko alam na ito pala yung dadating na design. This one is for 30 pesos. Pero nakasale siya ng 8 pesos. Then lastly, this B5 size notebook. Ito, refillable din siya. Pero, binder. Ayan, refillable binder. Tapos, metal yung binder niya. So, pwede mo lagyan up to more than 100 pages. So, if you guys want to purchase these products also, I'm gonna link them down below.